To stain the fence, my husband told me to put on something I didn't care about, so I put on his work clothes. This pecan color has become our favorite for stain. We were trying to match the house. The sprayer wasn't working well, so we had to hand paint it, but then we ran out of stain, and suddenly it snowed. When the weather warmed up, we had to finish it off, but it didn't quite match. We had already done the paint stain for the black, and then we were finishing off the deck. So many little details to try to work out. I'd really like to do something like this again, but spray the paint before we put things together. My husband doesn't agree with that. The neighbors are admiring. Now I've lifted up the steps so that I can stain them to match the whole deck.